Hey everybody, Nicole Sauce here from Living Free in Tennessee. We're going to just kind of go through some FAQs about the spring workshop. Hey Tactical, are you allowed to smoke under the tent?
No.
That's right. We're going to show you the grounds. I was going to hand the camera to Tactical, but he walked off because he does that in the middle of videos for some reason. So this is what it looks like here. Hold it from this side with your other hand. Yeah. So that's the mic. We do this every time. Anyway, this is what it looks like putting together the spring workshop. Follow me. The first question I often get is, what does this outdoor shower look like? So let's take a look at that. When we do the workshop, you know, there'll be tables and chairs under here. If you need to wash your hands, we have a great sink right there with soap, so you can wash them. Now here's the shower. This is like, if you bump your head on it, it hurts. But it's here so you can hang on to it and not fall on your rear. Come on up to the shower. You'll notice this beautiful shower curtain. If you try to pull it this way, it won't pull that way. You come in through here. Don't try to slide it. It'll make the pole fall down. Come on in. The key to success with this shower is you turn the hot water on. And then you wait. You wait. And you wait. Let's just pretend the video flashed forward. Eventually you put your little finger in there. It's starting to get warm. That's when you take your clothes off, because the water is coming diagonally from the house. And then the hot water's there. And the cool thing is it's coming from a solar water heater. So you'll be fine. That's the shower. It's a beautiful shower. This is the view from the shower. You can look at the chicken tractor. That's right. All right. Let me see that for a second. Do you like the outdoor shower?
I've actually never used the outdoor shower.
Okay. The next question I get is about the composting toilets. How do you use them? This is one. This is the moist maker. We've got several of them. Come on in. This is it. If it's nighttime, you can hit the button and turn the light on, see? And it will go on, except for right now, because it has a sensor, and if it's light out, it won't go on. We've got this beautiful, giant commercial toilet paper. If you see it getting low, you let us know and we bring more out. But what you do is you sit and you go, like so. Go, 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 go. And then you use the toilet paper because it's gross if you don't. That can go in as well. Oops, don't do what I did. That's gross. If you have tampons, they can go because they're biodegradable. But if you have pads, they go in the trash over here. And then once you've gone, this is the important part. You take the wood chips and you cover everything. Once it's covered, there's no smell. Now, if you're like, I like to wipey, we have bleach wipes right here for you. The last thing is, when the bucket looks like it's about 3/4 full, let us know and we'll take it out so that it does not get too full, because nobody likes a full bucket.
So this is a working homestead. So we do have electric fences, and we have multiple kinds of electric fences. So this is the charging station for one, but there are multiple on the property. They are strung throughout the property, and if you walk over here, you might think that, you know, you're going away from the electric fence and you will be safe to touch things. But if you look up above the fence, there's another metal wire. So that is hot.
Don't touch the wire.
You definitely do not want to touch that wire. It is also very, very well grounded. So yes, that will zap the ever-living piss out of you. So if you don't know what an electric fence looks like, this is one situation where it is better to learn through education than experience.